Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take GNC sponsorship. GNC offers exciting opportunities for individuals who embody their brand values. We'll cover the initial steps to prepare your application, ensuring you highlight your unique strengths. Understanding GNC's focus on health and wellness is key to a successful partnership. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a GNC-sponsored individual. To qualify for a GNC sponsorship, you'll need to meet certain eligibility requirements. This often includes demonstrating a significant and engaged following on your social media platforms. GNC looks for individuals who genuinely use and believe in their products, aligning with their mission to promote health and wellness. Ensure your online presence reflects these values clearly. When preparing your application, focus on creating a strong, professional presentation. Your media kit should clearly outline your audience demographics, engagement rates, and past successes. Articulate your personal brand story and how it naturally aligns with GNC's mission. Emphasize the specific value you can bring to GNC, whether through content creation or brand advocacy. After submitting your application, GNC's team will carefully review it, often based on their current marketing campaigns and needs. The process can take some time, so patience is important. You might be contacted for an interview or asked to provide additional information. Continue to build your brand and engage with your audience while you await their decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.